I looked into the Bigvita Scalp Serum, and honestly, it shows a lot of familiar warning signs you often see with trendy hair serums that appear online. The marketing promises thicker hair, reduced shedding, and revitalized follicles. But the website doesn't provide real scientific evidence, clinical trials, or detailed ingredient concentrations to back any of those claims. That lack of transparency is the first red flag. The product photos and branding look sleek, but when I tried to find actual customer experiences, there was very little credible feedback. No strong Trustpilot presence, no dermatologist reviews, and very few real user videos. Most of the comments online seem generic, which makes it hard to trust. Another issue is the ingredients. The formula includes common botanical extracts, but nothing clinically proven to regrow hair. Without specific percentages, you have no way of knowing whether the active ingredients are included at effective levels, or just enough to list on the label. The website structure and discount-heavy sales tactics also resemble many short-lived brands that disappear after a few months. Refund policies are vague, and customer support seems inconsistent. Overall, Bigvita Scalp Serum doesn't look dangerous, but it also doesn't look reliable or scientifically backed. If you're dealing with real hair loss, established brands or dermatologist-approved treatments are much safer bets.